Have you ever dreamed of playing Chopin's Nocturne in C-sharp minor the way it truly deserves to be played? Beautiful, expressive, and effortless. But instead, it often feels heavy, uneven, or simply not as musical as you'd like. You're not alone. Even experienced pianists, including those who graduated from music schools, often struggle with this piece. The secret? It's not just about playing the notes correctly. It's about mastering the flow, the phrasing, and understanding the structure. In this video, I'll share 4 essential techniques that will transform your approach to this nocturne. From achieving that smooth left hand movement to making your right hand melody sing. And, of course, conquering that tricky passage at the end. So if you are ready to finally play this masterpiece with confidence and artistry, let's get started.
To the main theme. The most important thing here is about flow in the left hand. So watch my wrist, what I'm doing here. Am I playing straight? No, I am doing kind of circular motions. So the circle begins here, down, down, up, and very up. Down, down, up, up. What does it make? It makes the sound not so robotic. So instead of, it sounds you have to practice it alone. Only left hand with this movement, and also you can practice pedal. I'm pressing pedal each 4 notes. When you will be done with this, you will already see that you almost know this piece in the left hand by memory. But to make it even more easy, I suggest to play Scala C-sharp minor, because it will guide you through the harmonies which will come the most often in this piece. And this is C-sharp minor chord, C-sharp, E, G-sharp, C-sharp. For example, the beginning is the C-sharp minor chord, but you just take the middle one, the E, here, upwards. The next most common harmony here, F-sharp minor. F-sharp, A, C-sharp, F-sharp. So I just double it. Where can we find it? For example, the bar number 16. Everything is here is in F-sharp minor, right? So learning harmonies save your time because you don't see the each note alone, you see the structure. The next most common harmony is, and this is G-sharp. We have C-sharp minor, that's why here, this one will be with sharp as well. Where can we find this harmony? For example, bar 9. This is inversion, starting with the middle. Bar number 12. Again, we took the middle and put it up. Learning this way, the left hand will save you months of practicing. Singing with the right hand. The beautiful sound comes not only with your fingers, but with the wrist technique. Basics are when I'm playing inside the keys, I'm doing the wrist movement down. It produces the full sound. When I'm pressing outside the key, I put my finger slightly like this. Not like this, but not so rounded. And I go up. So this trill I play upwards, again down, up. And this up movement makes the sound lighter. So again, with the left hand. Down, up, down, up. You should play the right hand alone and practice these movements, and then your phrases will become round, and also you will have such a beautiful sound and full control of the piano. Till the hardest part. The passage in the right hand at the ending. How to achieve the speed. If you look closely, you will see that this is nothing else than C sharp minor. But C sharp minor is Ha. It's starting with the 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And ending with 2. So at first, just practice scala, limited with these notes. But play the right fingering, of course, starting with the thumb and ending with the 4. Then you have to connect it with the left hand. A group of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then group of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Group of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Get familiar with this. Counting will help you as well, but you can also try to practice with stops. So play the left hand on H and stop. Then play the next. Again. Then just with accents. Try then to smooth out. So you have it now. And how to achieve speed? The speed is all about playing not each note independently, but groups. So practice this way. 4 group, 3 group, 4 group, 3 group, 4 group. And you notice that my groups are changing when is changing position of my thumb. So the key is to play with groups and be fast with this movement. So when it's slow, you have no speed. Then 2 groups. From the beginning till very above. And back. Again, playing scala will help you a lot.
And that's it. If you will apply these 4 techniques, you will notice a huge difference. Not just in how the piece sounds, but in how does it feels under your fingers. Chopin's Nocturne will finally start to flow naturally, like a story being told through music. But if you want to go even deeper with the detailed breakdown through the entire piece, fingerings, phrasing, dynamics, pedal, I've created an extended 40 minutes tutorial. It's available exclusively on my Ko-fi community, where I will share more in-depth lessons, tips, and my insights. And if you are looking for more personalized, ongoing support, I also offer private lessons. Feel free to reach out. Details are on my website, linked in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comments which part of the Nocturne is most challenging for you. Thank you so much for watching and happy practicing. See you next time. Bye.